This is kind of a different custom ROM which consists of some privacy features and have a lot of apps pre-installed. What are those apps and why I'm talking about this custom ROM in this video? Stay tuned. I will talk about all of those things in this video. Make sure to watch this video till the end. These are the apps which are already included. Of course, we have the option to install these things are optional, but if you install these apps, then this is what we have the interface. This is how looking like and how these apps are behaving and why these apps are included. Which are these apps? We will talk about all of those things in this video. Firstly, if you move on the security options, you can see not every custom ROM gives you these options. Screen lock have the same features. One thing, let me tell you that this is also updated. It's not outdated custom ROM. It's updated. It's updated to QPR3 update. If you see, we have the auto reboot option available. I guess this is available in CalyxOS also. But as I just mentioned, it's not available in all custom ROMs. We have the restrict USB option available too, which is quite impressive. This custom ROM brings you Aurora Store pre-installed, so most of the times, I mean to say, if you do not have the Google Play Store installed, which is most likely, then you have the Aurora Store. A great alternative of Google Play Store is available. It's already included. You can simply sign in with your Google account if you want to, or you can simply choose the anonymous mode if you want to, and these things are included. Installing apps is so easy. You can install any app from here and no worries. That should work perfectly fine without having any issues. But if that app does not rely on Google Play services, but I have a solution for that too. We also have the inbuilt backup option available. This backup app is available. You just need 12 word code to recover these kind of backup. But this is so amazing. And let me just tell you that this thing works even without root. Yes, if you're looking for to back up those apps, by the way, as these things works without root, which means this will only work here. You have to simply choose the recovery code and etc. etc. Of course, I'm not sure much about these things, but this is actually so amazing, and that will only work with this CalyxOS. And yes, we are talking about CalyxOS, by the way. It also brings you Calyx VPN pre-installed, so you do not have to think about installing VPN etc. to make sure your privacy is okay. But in this case, it's already included. You just have to enable Calyx VPN, which is already included. Enable that, and you can't adjust the location, but it's completely fine that you have the option to use this VPN without even rooting your device, without even installing third-party apps, and without any other things. It also brings you this app reinstalled, which is actually alternative of Google Chrome. Name is Chromium, and the UI is actually same. It works perfectly fine. One thing, let me tell you that this is having DuckDuckGo search browser by default. As you can see, DuckDuckGo.com. It's not Google, so if you're aware of DuckDuckGo, then it's amazing. And of course, you should use DuckDuckGo privacy browser, which is so amazing, and that's a great search engine. It's included for you. We also have another alternative for open source apps, which is F-Droid. It is actually a hub of open source apps. It includes insane number of open source apps. So if you're one of the users who always look forward for open source apps alternatives, then you have to try out this app. This is F-Droid, and it is also included. You do not have to worry about installing it from anything other softwares. Any else locations. Of course, we have a Datura firewall. This is absolutely amazing. What this app is, you can simply restrict the data, Wi-Fi data access, mobile data access, or VPN access from some particular apps. I made a video on these kind of apps on my Hindi channel already, but this is already included and pre-installed in CalyxOS, so this is quite amazing. You have the option to adjust the settings for particular app, and including that, we also have another open source app included for Gmail. The name is K9 Mail. If you want to use Gmail, don't worry, K9 Mail is available, a great alternative. We also have the microG support. So yes, if you need Google Apps support, which means Google Play Services support, then you can try out this one. And as expectedly, safety net status will not pass by default. You have the option to disable that. microG is so amazing, by the way. You can also install microGs on some other custom ROMs, which is vanilla. Some custom supports that, not every, but if you want to install, you can do that. But in this case, it's already included. You have the option to choose these options. This is so amazing. But some new things are also included, by the way. Last time when I made video on CalyxOS, these things were not present. This is what I'm talking about. We have this test app available where you can test the performance of internet access, performance of other options. This is nice. We also have the Orbit VPN, which is a great thing, of course. Tor, and one thing is it's also updated. The UI is a bit changed. We have the Orbot VPN available. You also have the Tor browser included. You can use the Tor browser if you want to, which is the Onion router, and we have the Signal. We have other options. These are some amazing apps. Else things are basically same, as it is basically pure stock Android, but these apps which are already included in this case are super amazing. So if you need a custom ROM for some extra reasons, for privacy reasons, basically some new things, at least a different thing as compared to some other custom ROMs, then you can try out CalyxOS if this is available for your device. This is it. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Goodbye.